We can create live data connections to a range of sources, allowing us to work securely with data without replicating it to SAP Analytics Cloud. Note that administrators need to create live data connections in the connection area before users can create models based on them. In this case, we'll create a live data connection to SAP BW. We need to choose the Live Data Connections option. First, we'll enter a connection name, and optionally we can enter a description. In the connection type area, we can choose between path and direct. The path connection type requires SAP Analytics Cloud to be configured to connect to the local network using a reverse proxy server. Note that the steps to configure path connections are different for SAP Analytics Cloud instances that are running on SAP and non-SAP data centers. Instructions for both methods are provided in the application help. The presence of two-digit numbers such as EU20 or US10 in the SAP Analytics Cloud URL indicate that it's a non-SAP data center. We can use the direct connection type if we don't want to set up a reverse proxy on the local network. In this case, Cross-Origin Resource Sharing, or CORS, needs to first be deployed on the BW system. Again, detailed instructions on creating a live data connection are provided in the application help. In this case, we'll use the path connection type. Next, we need to enter the path prefix and client number. We can also set the default language for users. Note that if we specify a default, this overrides the data access language setting users have set in their individual SAP Analytics Cloud user profiles. Next, we need to choose the authentication method. Either the none method, username and password, or SAML single sign-on. Note that SAML SSO is not supported for SAP Analytics Cloud tenants running on non-SAP data centers. For this example, we'll use the username and password option. The connection has now been created. Note that we need to log out of the system before the connection can be used to create a model. Also note that models based on live data connections don't support all the features available for imported data sources. Refer to the application help for the full list of limitations when working with SAP BW data based on live data connections. Thanks for watching.